Hi guys, Xyco back. Um, I'm gonna show you guys something. We're actually going around because we're uh, we're about to move out of our place now, and actually the landlord requested, since the owner is moving back into the house. I don't know. Don't ask. So we're going around here in the area, and I want to show you guys a little bit of the countryside where we're living here in the province of Cavite in the Philippines. So you have an idea where you've seen the one with the river flood. So this is a peaceful day, a nice. Actually, it's been sunny the whole day, and now well, a little bit overcast, but nice, not too hot. Hey dog, empty lots. There's the wife.
Hello. I'm the makeup undone.
So we're actually looking for something for rent. We found a place, but the owner hasn't replied yet. So we had to send a text since they weren't answering. So we'll see. All right, some other place.
Not for sale.
Not for sale. You guys, anybody want to invest? Philippines, 5,000 pesos, which is about, I don't know, about $100 per square meter. There you go.
For a stock, so 6,000 per square meters. But actually, that's already cheap for this.
6,000. That's what, $130
Yeah.
per square meter. That's not too bad, I think. Okay, it's a little bit run down, but it's fixable.
That's vacant lot.
That's vacant. I know. I can buy it and then fix it. I'm not an agent. I should be though, advertising this stuff. There you go.
You're welcome to visit.
Yes.
Otherwise,
You guys come over, visit, buy a property.
and everything will be clean papers.
We'll become neighbors. We're here in the city of Dasmariñas in the province of Cavite.
Treehouse.
Nice bamboo hut.
Wow! What bamboo? It's really tree house. It's around the tree.
Oh yeah. Oh, there you go.
House. Wow! Wow!
Nice.
It's a good idea, eh?
Yeah.
In front of the house, they have mango tree, and they put it.
Is it a mango tree? It is a mango tree.
That's mango tree.
I know. It's a tiny one though. Ours is larger,
Because
but
they always trim it.
nice. I like. So we have animal clinics, everything.
What's in that side? I think
I don't know.
There's a lot of houses.
Maybe.
We have to find a way to get there.
See, and you guys, you feel just like home basically. The guys in US, Washington, Maine. It's the states of the US. They named the streets after them. So it's just like living at home.
Yeah, there's Alabama.
Yeah.
There's Wisconsin. Oh my God. I think they have also
Okay.
Colorado.
Let's live here. We can live here. This is like a ghost house at night. I'm sure it's gonna get dark and creepy. And it smells funky. Ooh, cool. Driftwood, I think. They make, help me, of course. No problem, I'll help you. Don't worry about it. They make like benches from this stuff and chairs and like Filipino craftsmanship kind of stuff. The wife is waiting. All right, let's move on. And I even have a monkey to show you guys. Watch this. Hello, monkey. Hello. Say hi. Come on. Come on. Say hi. It's okay. Oh. Come on. Come here. Hey. Psst. Monkey. Come on. Don't bite me. Okay. Screw me then. I know. I got it. Now you show me your butt twice. I think that's enough. So now that you've seen the monkey, right now it's basically, not basically, it's just the next morning. Up to the monkey we recorded everything yesterday, which was on Tuesday. It's Wednesday morning now, around 10:30 I think. We found a place where we're gonna move to. I got noise. It's actually not exactly in the area where we were looking yesterday, but we're happy with the location. And I'll show it to you guys. Right now I'm actually rushing to an ATM to pick up some money so we can put out the down payment and everything, first month, blah blah. So I'll see you guys in a. For you guys it's the second. For me it's a little bit longer. But I'll see you in a minute to show you around the house and everything. So see you in a bit. So we're almost there, almost at the house. This is the street. I know it's unpaved. What do you want to do? This is Poinsettia Street. I have no idea what it is. A flower or something, I think. Unpaved, of course, country living, unpaved streets, and broken down homes. There's a Pop's farm. I have no idea who Pop is yet, but we'll find out soon enough. Anyway, we have a Fruit of Spirit Christian school. It's an elementary school, right across actually. And we're about to come up on our new home, which is this place. From that white small building thing up to the wall. That's the one. I'm gonna say hi to the lady owner, and I'll show you guys around. So I got my wife. We just finished talking. We can fix this up a little bit. We see potential. The tree in the back, this one here, that's called malunggay.
Mangoes.
Malunggay? Oh yeah, that's a mango tree. This one is mango, that's malunggay. And this is a type of guava. So that's already a nice start, and we'll just plant some other stuff. Now, this is gonna be our new store. We're gonna be selling, whoa, watch out. We're gonna be selling rice here and all kinds of goodies.
Sige po. Okay, salamat.
Bye mama, bye ate. The lady on the left with the red hair is the landlady, and the other one is the caretaker. That's the house. Welcome you guys. It's a little bit messy for now, and it's very, very tiny. But for now it has potential. We can work with this. I know, don't worry, everything. This is gonna be our room, master's bedroom, because I am the master. This is pink. I'm not going to sleep in here ever, or I will.
Really?
I will turn into a
when
little.
we fight, you're gonna sleep?
I will turn into a little girl instantly.
No, when we fight, you're
Even
gonna
now,
sleep.
I wanna start crying.
No, when we fight, you're gonna sleep there though.
So that's the kitchen. and it's a very small shower and bath and toilet. Another kitchen. The Filipinos like to have like two kitchens, one regular and one they call this a dirty kitchen where they actually do the messy stuff. So again, this is the back exit. So for the two lots, this is considered the house is considered one lot. The empty space is considered another lot. We pay about $130 rent. So yeah, it's very very tight right now, but we can make this work for a while, and then when we're rich and famous, then we'll move to another place.
This is where we're gonna put the air condition.
We can make this work. Alright you guys, for now, thanks for watching. As always, if you liked the video, do hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please do. Better videos coming, I promise. I keep promising that, just we'll get there, trust me. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.